Hi, this is Miss Serratus, and in this video, we're going to continue with the Coakley characters. So if you followed the first video, you've got this far, which means that you've completed all the way, directions all the way through number 8. We're now going to do number 9, which is to auto sum, put a total in row 25. And what are we totaling? Well, if you look here, it says that we're going to be totaling these 5 columns. So let me show you a couple of ways to total. So first of all, I know it's going to be in row 25. I know the answer is going to be there, so I can click on that and go here to the functions button and hit the sum, and then simply select my range that I need to be totaled, which is F5 all the way through F24. Hit enter. That's one way to total it. Another way to total it is to select it first and then go to sum and then hit enter. Another way to total it is to actually go ahead and type it in. So I know, well, it auto suggested, so how could I resist? But I started typing E sum, and then that's that. And last but not least, I could just copy paste. Could have also dragged it across. It looks like I forgot this one. So drag it across. So there we go. If I do a control tilde, you should see that I've got my total in there. So let's go to the next direction. So we just did number 9. So now let's see what number 10 wants us to do. Number 10 is to apply some formatting. So rows 1 and 2 needs to be merge and centered. So the merge and center, you have to do each of these separately. So I'm going to click in the middle of cell A1, hold the click, go all the way across to K1, find my merge button, and then find my center button. And I'm going to do that again. Click in the middle of A2, hold that click, go across all the way to K2. There's my merge, and then there's my center button. Perfect. What else do they want us to do? Currency style for row 5. That just means that we need to add dollar signs for anything related to money. So this is money. So we're going to click on that and just hit the dollar sign. This is hours. That's not money. So this is money. And this is money as well. So you notice I didn't put dollar signs on columns D, E, and I. Next on the list is percent style 2 decimals for column I, which is already done for you. So that's a freebie. Single underline before the total. Yes, we are adding a column of numbers, and whenever you add, you always want to do an underline. So I just do simply a control U. So here we go, the underline before the total. So control U will take care of that. And then last but not least is we want to do bold and currency style with 2 decimals for row 25. So I'm just going to go ahead here, apply currency, which is money. It's asking me to bold the entire row, and there we go. This actually looks a little small, so I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger so you can see the number. I just basically double clicked at the top corner right on the line, and that makes it bigger. Okay, so we've just taken care of number 10. Number 11, we're going to change the rate for anyone making less than the minimum wage. So I'm recording this in 2021. The minimum wage is $13.50. So Batman is underpaid, so we can change that one. So is Bobo the Clown, so we're going to make it $13.50. And make sure I type in a decimal. That's good. And who else is underpaid? It looks like Pinocchio, $13.50. It's just those 3 people. So that's that quick change. And now we're going to change the tax rate to 28%. So I'm just going to come over here, type in the number 28 and drag it. Use the fill handle. Remember, the fill handle is this tiny little square on the corner. You click it, hold the click, and drag it all the way down. Next, we just hired 3 new people. We hired Minions and Fred Flintstone. Now, we do want to keep it all in alphabetical order, so it might just be easy to figure out where they go and insert it in. So Minions is going to go right here. So I just right click on the number 15 and I go to insert one above, and I know I need 2 of them. So I'm just going to insert another one. So one is for Minion 1, the other is for Minion 2. Whoops, let me just put a space in between there. Now I got to figure out how much they're making. $16.25 an hour for both of them. And now we need all these other formulas. So I did the control tilde, and this is a formula. So I could just either copy and paste it or I could drag it down. And all of these are basically formulas. So I'm just going to go ahead and drag that down. So let's control tilde again. We need to see how many hours they work. And minion 1 is working 38 hours. So it's going to be 38. You'll notice as soon as I type in the 38, it's going to calculate the net pay. Beautiful. No overtime for minion 1. And now this was a challenging one. Minion 2 worked 42.5 hours. The temptation is to type in 42.5 hours right there, but that's incorrect. Remember, this is paid at the regular rate. Once they work 40 hours, they get paid a higher rate for anything over 40. So 2.5 goes over here and 40 goes over there. So last but not least, we need to hire Fred Flintstone. So FJ looks like it's going to be right here, right click, insert a row, and then I'm going to type in Fred Flintstone, typing it correctly. And let's see how much Fred Flintstone is making. $18 an hour for 41 hours. Again, 40 and the 1, but I need some math, and all I need to do is just copy paste or fill handle that down, which I'm going to do right now. And if I do control tilde again, that's what it looks like. And it says make sure all your employees are in alphabetical order. After adding the new employees, you need to sort the list again. If you, I ended up putting it where they belong, but if you need to sort it, remember, just come through here, select it all, and you go to data. Sorry, it's giving me a little bit of a problem here. Okay. I'm having a little bit of an issue. There we go. We do not want to sort that way. Sort range, advanced sorting options. Apparently they changed this on me. And we didn't want to do it by column A, sort it, and then hit the cancel. So you know you are correct because this formula is everywhere when I hit the control tilde, and you should see this is your final total. Personally, I didn't say to do this, but I probably would have bolded the title. Okay. All right. Have fun. Bye.